Wait, what if I told you that you could literally upload your entire business? We're talking every spreadsheet, every PDF report, every training video into one single tool. And then, just seconds later, you're getting instant, interactive dashboards and a fully autonomous agent managing your daily tasks. Look, it sounds completely like science fiction, I know, but it is happening right now.
Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we are diving deep into Google Gemini in 2026. Listen, this is no longer just some cute little chatbot you ask for dinner recipes. It has evolved into a literal digital coworker. And the stakes here, they are absolutely massive. If you are still just using AI to write basic, boring emails, you are completely underestimating what's possible, and honestly, you're probably going to get left behind. So let's dive into this and see exactly how this is about to change your workflow forever.
All right, let's kick things off with use case number 1, the multimodal analysis brain.
Gemini 2.5 Pro can handle a staggering 2 million token context window. 2 million. To put that massive number into perspective, that's like taking entire books, huge research archives, or literally your company's entire financial database and holding it all in its brain at once. It natively processes text, PDFs, audio, and video in one single fluid conversation.
Think about how things work right now. Your team is probably manually cross-referencing messy sales spreadsheets and competitor PDFs for days on end, just looking for a needle in a haystack, right? It is exhausting. But with Gemini, it cross-references all of that, everything instantly. So it essentially acts like an AI operating system for your startup, pinpointing hidden risks and sniffing out high-margin products in seconds.
And here is the secret sauce. Instead of asking for basic, generic summaries, you use this prompt magic framework. You just tell Gemini, hey, find contradictions, identify opportunities, and outline key risks across all these uploaded files. Then, generate a 5-bullet summary with exact citations. Boom! It gives you perfectly cited, elite-level business intelligence right on the spot.
Okay, moving right along to use case number 2, instant video to documentation. This one is a massive time saver.
We've all been there. You spend hours taking a million screenshots, painfully writing out step-by-step instructions, and formatting standard operating procedures manually. It's the absolute worst. But now, the new solution is incredibly simple. So, you just record your screen workflow, upload that MP4 directly, and let the AI watch your clicks to write the complete manual for you.
It really is just this simple 3-step process. Step 1, record your screen. Maybe you're onboarding new software or just showing someone how to submit travel expenses. Step 2, upload that MP4 file to Gemini. Step 3, receive beautifully formatted training documentation, complete with numbered instructions and troubleshooting guides. I mean, this is saving enterprise companies and startups hundreds of hours every single month.
And it gets better because you can instantly scale this by asking Gemini to adjust the output based on who is actually reading it. Need a basic setup guide for a total beginner? Done. An internal training manual for a new hire? Or maybe some advanced configuration docs for your IT admin? You are basically spinning up an entire AI documentation department with one single prompt.
All right, let's jump into use case number 3, code-free dashboard creation.
The stakes here are just totally game-changing. Historically, if you wanted visual tools from raw data, you had to hire a professional developer. It cost thousands of dollars, it took weeks of back and forth. But now? So you can literally just paste your raw data in and use everyday natural language to build fully interactive dashboards immediately. You just type something like this: create a modern SaaS dashboard with dark mode design, animated charts, and yearly revenue projections. And Gemini actually generates working interactive calculators, UI mockups, and charts right in front of your eyes. You do not need to know a single line of code. No way, right? Plus, you can do these live conversational edits. Let's say you don't love the look. Just tell it, make the layout cleaner, or add glass morphism, or turn this into a mobile view. You are live editing software layouts just by chatting with it. It dramatically lowers the barrier between having a brilliant idea and actually executing it.
Next up, use case number 4, building custom AI employees, which Google officially calls Gemini Gems.
Right now, be honest, you are probably rewriting the exact same strict prompt rules every single time you start a new chat. It wastes so much time and gets super repetitive. But here is the fix. So instead of doing that, you create a specialized gem just once, and it remembers those instructions to behave like an expert employee forever. You're essentially building an entire ecosystem of customized AI workers from marketing, research, or support without ever repeating yourself. Take this brutal marketing critic setup, for example. You give the gem a persistent rule.
aggressively critique weak headlines, improve emotional hooks, shorten copy, and optimize calls to action. Every single time you paste new content in there, it instantly reviews it based on those strict rules. It's literally like having a grumpy senior marketing editor on standby 24/7.
And finally, we arrive at use case number 5. And this is the big one: autonomous digital agents.
Guys, this is an absolute paradigm shift. In the past, AI was just passively answering our questions and generating text, right? But imagine a world where it actually takes action. So now, the AI automatically executes multi-step tasks entirely independently across your different apps. It's no longer just spitting out information. It's the active delegation of real work.
Just picture this workflow in action. Step 1. Gemini autonomously digs into your Gmail and finds your flight confirmation. Step 2. It bounces over to Google Maps to calculate the travel time to your hotel. Step 3. It drafts an early check-in request over in Google Docs. It seamlessly connects all these apps to handle an entire travel workflow without you lifting a single finger.
So, what does this all mean for us? We are officially moving from AI tools to AI coworkers. The biggest winners over the next few years, they won't be the people who just know how to type a clever prompt. They are going to be the people who learn how to collaborate with these AI coworkers early and delegate effectively.
Let's do a super quick recap of this 2026 AI coworker era before we wrap up. We've got the crazy 2 million token multimodal brain for massive document analysis, video-to-document automation to kill off manual SOPs, code-free interactive dashboards, persistent Gemini Gems acting as your custom staff, and autonomous workspace agents doing the heavy lifting across all your apps.
So my final question to you today is this: which of these Gemini features completely shocked you the most? Are you blown away by the massive document analysis, or are those autonomous agents totally changing how you view your job? Drop a comment below with your favorite feature. I really want to see the debate on this one. And hey, do not forget to subscribe for more fast-paced tech breakdowns and explainer episodes where we decode the future of productivity. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.